Everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
How am I champions doing? We're gonna make winning plays every single day. Every single day. So check this out. We're going to do another episode of a video. This one's Champions Value Mindset, right? Keep your mindset locked in. It's important. If you develop your mindset, everything else around you can develop, right? So what we're gonna go over right now is this is gonna be episode 2, right, of this one. So what we're talking about right here is staying dedicated on your purpose. Listen, if your purpose is important to you, like, stay dedicated on it, right? Something I want to go over is like spend time to figure out what you love, what you really love, what you're really passionate about. That makes it not that complicated to stay dedicated on something, because you're passionate about it. You got a really strong feeling, you're into what you're doing. You're going to be able to stay dedicated. The reason why I've been able to get over 100 videos strong is because this is something I love. What I love is being able to talk about, branding, building, and focusing on your goals and your dreams. And that's everything that I'm talking about in all these videos. So, I want every person to find that. And how you find that is trying different things, being real with yourself on what you love, and working on it every day. Putting something towards that every day. It might be a lot some days, it might be a little some days, but just put something towards that. Document everything, put something towards that, do your research and stay dedicated, and keep a long-term mindset on accomplishing the things that you want to accomplish, and you'll get these things done. Having a long-term mindset is difficult, because when you're in the beginning, it's very difficult to see what it's going to turn out to be in 3 years, 5 years, when other people believe in your projects, when you're developing new projects, when you're working on different things, when you're traveling, when you have it built, when you have partnerships on projects, when you're able to turn things down, when you're able to do exactly what you want to do. It's difficult to get to that point, but you're building it. So just know that your ability to retain ownership in what you want to do is huge, and your ability to try different things is huge. So try different things, stay motivated, stay dedicated, stay believing in yourself, and you'll get to everywhere you plan on getting to. I'm serious, you'll get there. Like, it might seem impossible, but just start building the framework now, the groundwork now, and you'll get there, right? It's gonna be days as hot as Sunday, and I'm out of town doing contracting project. But that doesn't, I got a bigger goal than doing this contracting in mind, right? I want to, keep people's mindset strong, but this is how we get there, right? This is everybody seeing kind of where this mindset journey has taken me, and continue to buy into your mindset, continue to buy into the things that you love. So stay strong, right? There's going to be plenty more content out there, right? I am going to be doing the mentorship. It is available. You just, you hit me up, you let me know you need the mentorship, and, I'll take care of you. You need that, though. You need mentorship on your journey. You need to learn about cryptocurrency, right? You need to learn about how things are exchanged globally and where the future is going, right? You need to talk to people that think with a futuristic mindset, right? I don't want to get too far off track, so I got to keep things in perspective. Yeah, staying dedicated on your purpose, though, no matter what. You got it. Once you find it, you stay dedicated, right? I should be at over 200 videos by the end of June, well over. So that comes with me staying dedicated, uploading videos constantly every day, uploading 3 to 5 videos, just constantly refining my process, staying goal orientated, locking in and getting these videos out to everybody so they know what's going on with the Champions Playbook, things we got going, projects we got going, what I got going with the merch store. All that is huge, all that is big. Get up early. I just put the health nut video, something very delicious you can get from Nectar Juice Bar, if you want to eat healthy, things like that. So just stay dedicated on your goals, on the things that you love, and everything's going to, start working for you. You're going to go from, you searching for money to money searching for you, right? You know, value, you searching for value to value searching for you. It's gonna happen. It's gonna take some time. Just stay dedicated. Always talk about the things you love doing, and everything over time will start building yourself up, coming together, and you know, you'll be able to reap the benefits long term for the things that you love and the things that you're into, right? Always be proud of what you're doing, what you're working on. Talk about it. Have business cards, have digital business cards. You know, you don't sell yourself short, right? Stay dedicated though. Real talk is really important. I want to thank everybody for checking out the content, for being a part of what we got going here. And yeah, there's amazing stuff coming in the future, so stay tuned, stay locked in, and we're gonna keep going. Make winning plays every single day too. Don't hold back on that.
Check, living my life with no regrets. Ain't tryna impress. We finish it less. No feeling, no ceilings. Touching the sky, I fly over buildings. You searching with healing. The ground I'm tilling. I'm planting the seeds. I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work. They all